Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-app language on the Octa Trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Octa Trading app on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your credentials. Once you are taken into the dashboard, in order to change your language, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on the gear icon. Now within this page, in the second menu, you will find the language, which has a globe icon. So just tap on it and this will now show you the various different languages that are available for the platform. You can just tap on your desired language and your application will restart to apply your changes. And you can then continue to use the application in your desired language. You can come back to this menu at any point of time in order to change the language in the future once again if you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-app language on the Octa Trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.